Have you ever wondered if your browser supports the URL constructor? It can be a bit tricky to figure out, but don't worry. Today, we are going to explore how to check if the URL constructor is supported by your browser. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to use a feature in your code and you're not sure if it's going to work in all browsers. You're definitely not alone in this concern. Many developers face this issue when working with modern web APIs. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I detect if the URL constructor is supported by browsers? They want to use it like this: const URL equals new URL string base string. If this sounds familiar, let's dive into the solution together. So, why is it important to check for support? The URL constructor is a powerful tool for creating and manipulating URLs, but not all browsers may support it, especially older versions. Understanding this will help you write more robust and compatible code. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip on how to handle unsupported browsers gracefully. To check if the URL constructor is supported by the user's browser, we can use a simple feature detection technique. This involves using a try-catch block to attempt creating a new URL object. In the try block, the user should attempt to create a new URL object with a sample URL string. If the browser supports the URL constructor, this will succeed without throwing an error. If an error is thrown in the catch block, it indicates that the URL constructor is not supported by the user's browser. This is a straightforward way to determine support. Finally, the user can implement this check in their code to ensure compatibility before using the URL constructor in their application. Fun fact, the URL constructor was introduced in ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6. So if you're working with older browsers, you might want to check their compatibility. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach to detect if the URL constructor is supported is to first check if the const keyword is supported. If it is, the URL constructor is likely supported as well, except in Internet Explorer. Additionally, you can directly check for the URL object by using the condition if window.url. Here's that quick tip I promised. If the URL constructor is not supported, consider using a polyfill or a fallback method to ensure your code runs smoothly across all browsers. And there you have it. Now you know how to detect if the URL constructor is supported by browsers. Remember, checking for compatibility is key to writing effective code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.